Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Local like it's you gamer. Please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple pouch with some plastic cover. So the materials you need for this is a plastic cover, anything, but it will need to be close with this side, and then a scissor and some thread. So let's begin. So take this plastic cover and cut it exactly into half. Like this. So we have a plastic cover exactly, and now you need to make two holes with the scissor in the two ends. See, I have made a hole here and then another hole here. Okay, after making this hole, take a piece of thread and then tie its ends. After tying, insert one end into one hole and the other end into another hole. If you would like, you can take a much bigger plastic cover and a much bigger thread. So it is like this. So in this, you can use this and your pouch is ready. You can use it as a phone holder. You can use it to carry your tools. You can use it to carry medicines. And finally, your pouch is ready. I hope you like this video. Please comment and subscribe.